In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix painting download error on Google Play Store. So if you are trying to download any app but you are stuck to painting download, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now to fix this, in the first method, you want to check and ensure that you have stable internet connection, that is your Wi-Fi or your data. However, if that is not the issue, then you want to troubleshoot Google Play Store. To troubleshoot your Google Play Store, just go to settings, and from settings look for apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store, and here it is. Now go to force stop and OK. And again, clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to Google Play Store, now search for the app that you wish to download and install and run the installation, and this should have fixed your issue. However, if you still experience the same problem, then most likely you are facing space issue. That means you don't have enough space on your phone. To fix this, you'll need to delete some of the apps that you no longer use on your phone, and also go to your media or gallery and delete videos as well as images that you no longer need. Once you have done, you can run this cleanup, and this will clear all the trash on your phone. So you can see there's a lot of junk that might have occupied space on your phone. So I'll tap on clean up, and as you can see, I've freed over 300 MBs of data on my phone. Now once you are done, go to Google Play Store, and now you should be able to download and install your apps. However, should you still experience this challenge, then you want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN app. If you have any VPN turned on, close it or uninstall it to fix this issue. So let me know which of this was able to solve your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.